These backyard renovation videos are blowing up right now, like millions of views blowing up. And I'm gonna show you how to make them with AI in about 10 minutes and then charge landscaping businesses $1,000 a month to post them. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we generated over $400,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $400,000 in revenue, roughly 300 active clients, and we charge about $1,000 a month. We create all kinds of social media content for small businesses. And right now, this landscaping content is one of the easiest things to sell because these videos practically go viral on their own. Chapter 1, how to make viral backyard renovation videos with AI. I've been testing this workflow and it's kind of insane how good the results are. You're basically gonna take a finished backyard photo, use AI to create a before version of it, and then use AI video to show the whole renovation happening like a time lapse. The final product looks like a real construction crew came in and built this whole thing. And people can't stop watching these. Like, the algorithm loves them. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1. You need an after photo. If you already have a landscaping client, grab a photo of one of their finished projects. For this example though, I'm just gonna grab one from Pinterest. You want a really clean, beautiful finished backyard. Something with nice furniture, lights, plants, maybe a fire pit or a little outdoor kitchen. The nicer it looks, the better the final video is gonna be. Step 2. Now I'm gonna take that image and create a before construction version of it. And for this, I'm gonna use my favorite AI tool right now called OpenArt, which is gonna make the process of creating the images and videos so easy. I'm gonna select create image, then upload my Pinterest image and type create image before construction and hit generate. And just like that, it gives me an image that looks like the same backyard, but before anything was built, like just raw dirt and concrete. It's crazy how well it does this. Step 3, I'm gonna use that same original image one more time, but this time I'm gonna type create image without furniture, lights, flowers, grass, and any other decorations and hit generate. So now I have a third image that looks like the backyard is built out, like the hardscape is done, but there's no furniture, no plants, no decor. It's like that in-between phase of a renovation. So now we've got 3 images. We've got the before construction image, the furnitureless mid renovation image, and the original finished image from Pinterest. These 3 images are gonna be the backbone of our whole video. Step 4, now we're gonna make the actual videos. I'm heading over to videos and I'm gonna select frames to video using VO3. This is the part that blew my mind the first time I tried it. What frames to video does is you give it a starting image and an ending image, and the AI creates a smooth video that transitions between the two. So for this first video, my first frame is gonna be the before construction image, and my second frame is gonna be the furniture-less image. Then I'm gonna copy this prompt right here, which is also in the description below, and hit generate. What VO3 does with this is wild. It creates a time lapse that looks like real workers are painting, laying pavers, and building out the space, from a bare backyard to a finished structure. And it did all of that from 2 images and a prompt. Step 5. Now we're doing it again. Same process, but this time I'm using the furnitureless image as frame 1 and the original finished Pinterest image as frame 2. Copy the second prompt below and hit generate. And now the AI creates a video that looks like decorators are coming in, carrying furniture, placing plants, hanging lights, the whole thing. It looks like a real crew furnishing the backyard. Step 6. For the final scene, I'm gonna select the original finished image as the first frame, use the third prompt, and hit generate. This one creates a beautiful, slow, cinematic walkthrough of the finished backyard, like one of those real estate videos where the camera just glides through the space. It's the money shot. This is the part that makes people's jaws drop. Step 7, last step. Download all 3 videos and merge them together in order. You can use something like Premiere Pro if you have it, or Canva. Put them back to back so it goes from bare dirt to construction to furnishing to the final cinematic walkthrough. Then add some background music, something upbeat and satisfying, and that's it. Here's the final output. Chapter 2, why landscaping businesses will pay you for this. Here's the thing. Landscaping companies are sitting on gold mines and they don't even know it. They've got these gorgeous finished projects, but their social media is either dead or just random photos with no views. Meanwhile, these backyard renovation time-lapse videos are getting millions of views on Instagram and TikTok. I'm not exaggerating. Go look. Search backyard renovation on Reels right now and look at the view counts. It's insane. And here's why this matters for the business owner. When a homeowner sees a backyard go from nothing to paradise in 30 seconds, they immediately think, I want that. And then they look at who posted it. And that's the landscaping company. So now you've got a potential customer who's already sold on the idea before they even pick up the phone. That's what makes this so easy to sell. You're not asking the business owner to trust you on some complicated marketing strategy. You're just showing them a video that's already going viral in their industry and saying, I can make these for your business. If this content gets them just 1 or 2 new clients a month, it pays for itself 10 times over. A single backyard renovation job could be $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000, and you're charging $1,000 a month. It's a no-brainer for them. Now that you know how to make the videos and you understand why this sells, let me show you how to turn this into a real business. Because making the content is only half of it. You need a system to manage everything. Chapter 3, how to turn this into a real business using HighLevel. So HighLevel is what we use to manage our entire agency and all of our clients. And here's why it's perfect for this. Inside HighLevel, you can create what's called a sub-account for each client. So let's say you sign a landscaping company called Green Oasis Landscaping. You go into your agency dashboard, click on sub accounts in the left menu, hit create sub account in the top right corner and fill in their business info. Now Green Oasis has their own separate workspace inside your system, their own contacts, their own calendar, their own everything, and it's completely separate from your other clients. Inside that sub account, you go to marketing, then social planner. You connect their Instagram, their Facebook, their TikTok, whatever platforms they're on. And now you can schedule and publish all those backyard renovation videos directly from HighLevel. You don't need a separate scheduling tool. It's all built in. You make the videos with AI like I just showed you, upload them to HighLevel, write the captions, and schedule them to post 3 times a week. That's the whole service. But it doesn't stop there. You can also build them a landing page right inside HighLevel. They've got an AI website builder now where you can literally type a description of what you want and it builds the page for you. So you type something like landing page for a landscaping company that does backyard renovations in Dallas, Texas, and it generates the whole thing. Headlines, images, contact form, everything. You might need to tweak it a little, but it gets you 90% of the way there in like 2 minutes. And that landing page connects directly to their CRM inside HighLevel. So every lead that comes in from the website goes straight into their contact list. And then here's the part that'll really blow their mind. You can set up an AI voice agent inside HighLevel that answers the phone for them. So when someone sees that viral backyard video, goes to the landing page and calls the number, the AI picks up. It sounds like a real person. It asks them what kind of project they're looking for, what their budget is, and books them directly onto the landscaping company's calendar. The business owner doesn't have to do anything. The lead comes in, the AI handles the conversation, and the appointment shows up on their calendar. That right there is worth more than $1,000 a month by itself. So now think about what you're offering. You're giving them viral content that gets millions of views. You're giving them a landing page that captures leads. And you're giving them an AI agent that books appointments. All managed from one platform, all for $1,000 a month. That's an insane deal for a landscaping company. And for you, once you set it up, it takes maybe 4 to 5 hours a week to manage. By the way, if you want to try out HighLevel for yourself, then you can use my link in the description below. And when you sign up, you also get access to my full AI business blueprint course that walks through business models like this. Shameless plug, but it'd mean a lot if you used it. All right, let me keep going because this next part is how you actually get clients. Chapter 4, how to get your first landscaping clients. Here's what I recommend if you're just getting started, and this is the part that trips most people up. Go to Instagram or Google Maps and search for landscaping companies in your area. Look at their social media. Most of them are posting blurry iPhone photos of their work, or they haven't posted in months. That's your opportunity right there. That's who you're going after. Create a list of people to target, and before you go make anything, here's what you do first. You audit their page. Look at what they're posting, how often they're posting, and how much engagement they're getting. It's almost always bad. Then you reach out with a DM or an email and say something like, Hey, I checked out your page and I think your work is amazing, but your content isn't doing it justice. I make these viral backyard renovation videos. Want me to create a free sample using one of your projects? That's it. That's the whole pitch. You don't need to mention AI. You don't need to explain your whole business model. Just offer to make them a free sample. Most of them are going to say yes because nobody's ever offered them anything like that before. Once they say yes, now you go make the video. Grab one of their finished project photos right from their page and run it through the exact workflow I just showed you. Create the before image with Nana Banana, create the furniture-less image, run all three through VO3 and OpenArt, merge the videos, add music, and now you've got a viral style backyard renovation video starring their actual work. Then you ask to hop on a quick call or send it over with a watermark and show them what you made. They're gonna be blown away because they've never seen their work presented like that. And because they already said yes to seeing a sample, they're way more invested in the conversation. If you don't have any clients yet, offer them a 14-day free trial. Post some content for them for 2 weeks so they can see the engagement and the results. That builds trust and gives you a case study. Once you've got a couple clients and some proof that this works, you don't even need the trial anymore. You just show them the sample and ask for payment. $1,000 a month for 3 posts a week. And when their videos start getting thousands of views and their phone starts ringing more, they're not going anywhere. This thing basically sells itself after that. And for us at this point, we get hundreds of inbound leads contacting us for our services every month. We don't do outreach anymore. But this is exactly how you build up to that level. Now here's one more thing. On top of these renovation videos, you could also clone the landscaping business owner with AI. Imagine the owner giving tips about lawn care or explaining their process, but it's an AI version of them. That takes this to a whole different level. I've got a full video on my new AI agency business model that shows you exactly how that works. Go watch that next. It's coming up right now.